Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Kia Carnival and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the tail lights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lenses. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the taillights, we need to make sure we prep each lens. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the whole entire rear of the taillight. And then with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the lenses may have. So once we finish prepping the taillights, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we're going to work on the big portion of the taillight first, which is this entire lens right here. So with this one, once you apply Slip Solution, place the film onto the lens, and we're going to start by aligning it right in the middle. So let me show you how it looks like here. So as you're placing the film, make sure to align it on this curve of the taillight here. So just follow the design and align it there. And just apply Slip Solution in case the film does get dry. That way you're able to move the film around. So align it right in the middle, right there on the top. So that should be good here. Once it's aligned here, go ahead and start applying Tack Solution underneath it. That way we can start tacking it down. So there you go, right on the edge. And once you align it here, you're going to notice that the film aligns perfectly on the two edges right here. So just grab your squeegee and start tacking down this whole section. That way we secure it. And then once we secure this whole section, we can stretch the film to align it on each side. And don't forget about the top piece as well. Start helping it tack down. That way it doesn't move as we're stretching the film. And once you finish securing here, now we can move on to stretching the film to either side. So the same steps that we will be doing for this side, you would repeat it and do the same for this other side. So in order to stretch the film, apply Slip Solution, place it back down, and stretch the film until you reach to the edge here. So it should be a light stretch. And if the film does lift here, it's perfectly fine because we can come back and tack it down. So to the edge right there. So once we have it on the edge, hold it in position and start tacking it down. And then come back and secure this spot. So just apply Tack Solution once more, and with your squeegee, start helping it tack down. And make sure to remove any solution that may be underneath the film here. Once you secured this section, go ahead and start tacking down the top. Make sure when you're squeegeeing, you squeegee at an angle. That way you're able to tack down the film. And if you do encounter small fingers, those fingers you can remove them by applying Tack Solution and a little bit of heat. As I mentioned, the same steps that were done here, repeated on there. Okay, so now we're moving on with the next piece, which covers the emblem section of the taillight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens here in the middle and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to take your time aligning the film to the outline of the lettering of the emblem to make sure that way everything fits, and just help it align as you go. So this is how it should look. And then once you finish placing the film, apply Tack Solution on top, and with your squeegee start tacking it down to secure it. So make sure you secure this whole middle section here. Take your time placing the film. And just squeegee everywhere until you remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Another thing you can do to help the adhesive activate faster, and that way we're able to seal it faster, is applying a little bit of heat as well. Because once we're done placing the film here, we're going to install the last piece that covers this section here. So just apply a little bit of Tack Solution and heat all around the tint that was placed. Once you're done applying heat, tack it down with your squeegee once more, and then you should be good to go. Okay, and now we move on to the next piece. And now for the last piece, this one is just to cover whatever's remaining left on the tail light. So just align it from one end, tack it down, and match it to the alignment where you left off here. And it should cover up to the edge. Something you can use in order for you to stretch it, you could use tack solution as well. But without using any solution, you can apply this last piece. It's just making sure you align everything and tack it down to cover the rest of the tail light. And once you're done placing this one, now we move on to the next piece. Okay, so now we're moving on with this section of the tail light. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. All you need to do is make sure you align the film to this edge first. So align it here. Once you have it aligned, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to anchor this section of the film and then stretch and align up till we reach it to the next edge. So align it there, grab your squeegee, and start tacking down the film. Okay, and now we move on to stretching the film until we reach it to this edge. So just stretch it until you reach it to the edge here, hold it in position, and start tacking down the rest. And make sure to keep it aligned here as well. And apply tack solution on top. That way we're able to seal the top edges here with our heat gun and our squeegee. You can also wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and tack it down like this in order to help tack down the top and also remove any solution that may be on top of the film. And then just apply heat on the bottom to seal it and on the edge, and then we can move on with the next piece. Okay, so for the last piece of the tail light, all we need to do is apply slip solution to the top section of the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film and align it to this edge. So align the film right on the edge. Once you have it on the edge, same steps as how we did it here. Just apply tack solution underneath and on top. That way we're able to secure it and tack it down here. And make sure as you're tacking it down to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. That way you avoid having any bubbles underneath. And then just follow along with the rest of the film as you go. Tack it down, make sure it stays aligned. You can also apply tack solution just to help tack down the film more faster until you reach to the edge right here. And with this one, something to keep in mind, it doesn't cover the inside here and also all the way to the edge down here because it is such a small area to work with. It only covers the more exposed area, which is this top surface here. So once you finish installing the whole tint for the rear tail light, the last thing to do is post heat the entire film. So in order to post heat, just apply tack solution all over the tail light. And we're going to use our heat gun to start applying heat all over the panel that was worked on. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to start tacking it down and helping remove any solution that may still be trapped underneath the edges of the film. And also, if there's any fingers, just helping them bring them back down and just sealing the film entirely. So take your time as you're doing this, make sure you go all around. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Kia Carnival. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.